What's up, everybody? News now, motherfucking Ohio.
Are you for serious?
So we got this guy. They stopped his ass. They're blocking the fucking railroad tracks. All this shit. Right here at a railroad track. And searching this dude. And his car. Wow. Oh, holy smokes.
Is he whole ass handcuffed with a cigarette?
Yeah, he's handcuffed.
And he has a cigarette in his mouth.
Looks like it.
It don't look like it is.
Yeah. Oh, he must have something in there because he's hard pressed over there, looking over there.
We have $33, so we need to go get some groceries.
Okay.
I feel like you see that his whole butt crack when he bent over.
Ooh, the cops. You know you like looking at cop crack. Oh my goodness, I had to say it. You know I did. You left me wide open for that. You left yourself wide open. Yeah, this is crazy, guys. I ain't never seen no shit like this. The cop scene, guys. The cop sitting right there blocking the fucking railroad track like a dumbass.
Well, maybe he's violent. Maybe he just rides.
Yeah, but still, it's like, why would they park? Why would he park his truck on, or his fucking police car on the railroad track?
I feel like they probably informed the CSX Railroad
No, they
that
didn't.
they're there.
No, they probably just jump in like an idiot and move it real quick.
I feel like that's dangerous.
Well, it is. Give me a light.
I'm pretty sure I don't have one. Seeing as how I don't smoke.
Don't you smoke?
No, give me a cigarette.
You're a dork. Yeah.
Poor dude. Christmas time. I mean, it's like, how many days before Christmas? Like just a couple, ain't it?
Friday. Friday's Christmas.
Damn Pokemon's. I mean, something was going on. He was trying to get away or something. The way they got him blocked it over before he could get across the tracks.
Oh,
I feel like that's just, something. Like they cut him off before he could get across the tracks. Hopefully he didn't hurt nobody or nothing stupid. What?
You guys like that double view? View in front and the view from behind.
You're just so smart. I can't stand you. Hey, crack the key so we can.
Alright. Crack the key. Crack!
Well, at least they're being civil.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't feel like them cuffing somebody and going through their car as civil. I call that infringement. And then how's she gonna give him a drink of his drink? Like, what the fuck?
Because you're videotaping.
Yeah.
I hate when Hannah don't have a phone.
They must be inventorying the vehicle. That's their favorite thing to do. Inventory. Fucking kill this man, dude. I would just laugh if a train came, just because he'd have to get out and stop doing it and move his vehicle. I just think that's stupid that he's got it parked on the railroad tracks like that. Okay, so are they uncuffing this dude?
No, they're just doing shit out of his pockets.
What the fucking hell, dude? Or are they searching him? I don't know. Oh, you're here. You got another one.
Damn, two just pulled up.
No, just one. This one was the one that was on the railroad tracks.
Oh. I didn't even see him either.
Let me find out that this idiot needed to come rolling up here all fast with his lights on. Dude's already fucking...
That's because you're here.
Yeah, he's already cuffed and stuffed. There's no threat, no danger. You know what I mean? He had to make a big fucking scene about pulling up with his lights on and shit. And here's their money maker right here, guys. So now this is what's so funny is they will have the guy to get his car back will have to pay the police a tow fee, pay the police. Well, he wasn't the tow truck. I thought he was. It's usually, I was wondering because it's usually Marcel's or Wright's, but anyway, or Houses. So, anyways, he'll have to pay if they tow it. They'll have to pay the police the storage and tow fee, and whoever tows it. Tell me how that's not double jeopardy. Tell me how that's in any fucking way even near legal. Why on God's green earth does the police get a storage fee when it's not in their impound lot?
They don't get a storage fee.
Yes,
you
they
have to
do.
Pay them a police release.
No, you have to pay a police release, and every day it sits there, they add more money as a storage fee.
Yeah,
Yes, they
the
do.
storage company does, not the police.
No, the police do too.
They don't add a storage fee. They add a fee for every day you don't come and pick up your.
Yeah, that's basically a fucking storage fee. They can just call it whatever the fuck they want, but it's still a storage fucking fee. When they charge every day more money, that's a fucking storage fee without calling it. You know what I'm saying? That's just their nice way of trying to. That's probably how they're getting around doing it, is by saying it's administrative fees. It's not. Let me find out that administrative fees get more expensive because you don't come the first day or the second or the third. Every day, then what do they have to do? More paperwork? No, they don't. The paperwork's the fucking same. You know what I mean? And the paperwork fees, that's just the fee anyway, the police fee. So that's the release. That's supposed to be for the administration fees.
With cabbage. Man, they come up with new shit every day, don't they? Are you busting the telescope out tonight? See if we can see anything.
I'm busting out the telescope tonight. cop is jumping in the vehicle and backing it up. Let me find out that that's illegal. God, that's hilarious, dude.
So Grogu ain't gonna be on there no more.
I don't guess. I don't know.
I don't know what's it
All right, guys. I guess we're gonna get out of here. All they're doing is waiting on a tow truck.
Where are you getting out at?
So, anyways, I was gonna say something I can't remember. Oh, all right, guys. So if you guys like stargazing and stuff like that, I have another channel. It's called Hillbilly Scientist, but I'm gonna change the name to something else eventually. But I'm just trying to figure out a good name. So if you guys like the stars and looking at the night sky and all that, I'm gonna be doing it. It's gonna be a stargazing channel. So man, fuck you, pig. You got a problem, bitch ass motherfucker.
You're a douchebag.
Anyway, so that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a stargazing channel. I have a big 10-inch Meade telescope. And that's what we're going to be looking at the stars with, guys.
50,000-year-old
So
wolf
it's going to be awesome. And there you go.
Permafrost.
So if you're into that,
Do you see it?
go over there to Hillbilly Scientist and like and subscribe. And I'll be posting videos soon. I'm going to go out tonight. So I wish I wouldn't have missed the conjunction last night, but I did, like a dummy. So, all right, guys. Take it easy. News Now How's out.